Hello Driving Intelligence community. Here's a quick tip for you if you're trying to get the lowest cost oil possible. Keep watching. I started using Pennzoil Platinum on my vehicles, and I recommend this to people that come to get help from me or to my friends. Typically, if you go to an Advance Auto or AutoZone or O'Reilly's, any of those places, it's going to cost anywhere from, it's in the mid-30s, $30 per 5 quarts. I go to Walmart, and it is literally 2/3 the cost. You're paying 50% more if you go to the big name places. So go get your oil at Walmart. You can get your oil filters there as well. But again, this I think this cost me between $20 and $22, maybe $23 at the most per 5 quarts. And that's significantly cheaper for a high performance oil than going to the automotive stores. Before I move on, I just want to say that I don't work for Pennzoil. I don't sell Pennzoil. I don't work for Walmart. I just happen to mention those two because I use Pennzoil in my cars, and I also like to shop at Walmart. But you can get low-cost oil. For example, if you're looking for Pennzoil, the price is comparable at Lowe's as well. It's just significantly more expensive to go to the big name brand automotive stores. You just need to buy the quality oil that meets your requirements, your personal requirements, and your auto manufacturer's requirements. Now, moving on, I've got another fail where in this particular case, I'm working on a car that was last taken to Express Lube. This car and another one I've worked on in the past, it's a Ford Explorer. In both cases, the oil filters were loose, and these were at 2 different locations. So this has me very concerned about the quality control at that place. You need to make sure that you go to a reputable location. I'm trying to show you that you can change this oil yourself. You just dispose of the oil properly and responsibly. But I'm going to get into what I found while working on this particular vehicle. Changing the oil on this vehicle, it's got a valence panel covering the engine for aerodynamic flow. And again, here's why I don't go to quick change oil places, Jiffy Lube or Express Oil Change. They left one of the bolts off. Who knows how many? Looks like one was broken or left off here. Again, I recommend you do this yourself. This is absolutely cheap, or take it to your original equipment manufacturer. You're gonna spend more, but I do not trust quick change oil places. Look at that, it's ridiculous. And yet another reason not to use quick change oil locations. This panel here, which needs to come out completely in order to reach the oil filter and also to get to the oil drain plug, they just took out this side of the screws, and obviously they didn't put this one back in, as I've already pointed out, and they bent this panel. They bent it down so you can see where the ridge is, where it was bent. And you can see it's damaged. So this is what you get when you're paying $19.99 or whatever the low cheap cost is for your oil change, and you don't even know what oil filter or what kind of oil you're getting. And on top of that, here you can see it's Express Lube. I was able to remove this oil filter by hand easily. It wasn't even tight. The last time I worked on an Express Lube done vehicle, the oil filter was not tight and it was dripping oil on the ground. That previous owner could have ended up with a dry crankcase, ruined the engine, and in this case it could have happened with this car as well. Thanks for watching. Save some money. Do it yourself.